Good morning everybody, here is your work for today, Thursday the 21st of January. So for English today, something different today. So far we've been very much reading and comprehension focused. However, today we're going to be doing some more creative and imaginative work. So write a short story, one copy page at least. But if you want to do much more, of course you can if you want to. However, the story must start with this line. Tick tock, tick tock. Time was moving so slowly. Only another hour to go. So, I'm really interested to see how you go from there. I'm sure everyone's going to have the same opening line, but I'm going to have so many different stories going in so many different directions. So I'm really excited to read them. So let's see, Master Your Maths, week 17, Thursday, busy at maths, page 70, and a few questions there. So let's have a look at that. Okay. So it's questions relating to money. So it's kind of practicing our decimals, but in a more real life setting. So it looks like a lot, but it's not really. Okay. So questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's all of these questions 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, so write these amounts as euro or cent. So 29 cent would be what? Very good. So 0.29 is how you would write 29 cent if you're doing a euro symbol. Okay. And like that, 1 euro and 7 will be 107 cent. Then now write these larger amounts as euro or cent. So 358 cent, you know that would be €3.58, and so on. Okay, some rounding, round each of these to the nearest euro. Okay, so 256, what would the nearest euro be for that? Okay, so the nearest 100 would be 300, so the nearest euro is €3. Okay, so rounding these to the nearest euro is quite similar to rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, so rounding to the nearest 100 first. So 418 cent would be 400 cent, which is €4. And these match the amounts that add up to €5. This is a great way of practicing our decimals as well. Okay, so €2.80 plus €2.20 would make €5, just like 2.8 and 2.2 would make 5. So that's it, okay? That's just your maths there. Nothing too trying, I hope. And again, get in touch with me if they're a bit tricky. And let's see what else we have. For Irish, I just have asked you to revise the lessons I have on Cavhaimshire, because there was a mix-up with me not putting the lesson up on Tuesday. And then for our art / lesson on France today, we're going to be learning about the artist Claude Monet and doing some art relating to him. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy that, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.